Ito po yung ating Canadian soybeans. Ang bini po nito ay galing kay Joel Kiawit. And he acquired this from a friend na merong kaibigan sa Canada. Nagpadala ng binhi na ito. And I'd like you to see this. No? Tingnan nyo kung gaano ka-prolific yung soybeans na ito. Mula puno hanggang dulo, may bunga. And he gave me actually 3 kilos of this. And I have already planted 2 kilos. So, ngayon na nakita ko na ganyang kaganda yung pagbubunga ng soybeans variety na to, we will propagate this. So, we now have 5 new soybeans varieties. Dalawa from India, dalawa from the US, and 1 from Canada. And this will be the foundation varieties of the new soybeans industry that we are trying to build in Cotabato, in Mindanao, and the country.